this is one of those questions where you have to read it carefully and make sure you're doing each step. And also, by the way, as a completely irrelevant aside, which we quite often go down, don't we? I can hear everybody's getting ready for lunch downstairs. Now, I did warn them I was working. If we carry on working, we might get out of doing chores. It will probably work for me, hopefully work for you. If you can spot that there are things that need doing, quickly whip out your 11 plus and be quite public about it and look really studious. Don't lurk in your room because everybody will suspect that you're reading comics or something. Okay, Right, Mariah buys a new pair of gloves and a new scarf in a half price sale. Oh, half price. That's important. The original price of the gloves was £6. And the original price of the scarf was £5.50. She pays for them with, so what we need to do is we need to work out how much it would have cost her had she not bought them at the sale. So £11.50. But remember, it was a half price sale, wasn't it? So we're going to find out how much it costs her now because it's half price. So we're going to divide it by 2. 2 goes into that 5 times, remainder 1. 2 goes into 15, or bring down the decimal, 7 times, remainder 1. 2 goes into 10, 5 times. So £5.75. Do a quick common sense check. Yeah, it sounds right, doesn't it? Now, I'm just going to write cost in case I get myself into a confusal. She pays for them with 2 £5 notes. So how much is that? £10. Well done. How much change does she get? Now, for goodness sake, write this down. And that's because you don't do money like they did when I was a girl. When I was a girl, they would have done the adding on method. This has become very unpopular in America. Parents hate it, but actually it's quite a good system. Don't tell anybody I said so. It's great if you're handling money and people, rubbish if you're doing it on a pen and paper. But I'll just go over it. So you've got your £5.75. So you give over 5p and you say 5.80. Then you'd give over 20 and you would say, I'd make it up to £6. And then you'd give over £2, so £8. And then give over another £2 and say £10. So you're adding it on as you go. And the person can follow your maths. Whereas these days, they just give you some change. And generally speaking, you trust they've got it right. And whereas then, it was clearly counting it out. And that helped everybody to make sure it was going well. You don't do that anymore. And I won't tell you where it often goes wrong. Because in case you're tempted to repeat that. So, just take it away. 5 from 0 you can't do. Borrow, nope, borrow, nope, borrow. Yeah, so that becomes 0. 10. Have to borrow from there, so that's 9. 10. Borrow from there, so that's 9. 10. 10 take away 5 is, I want another colour, 5. 9 take away 7 is 2. Bring down the decimal. Keep your columns clear. 9 take away 5 is 4. 0 doing nothing is 4. Does that make sense? Yes. 25 pence takes it up to £6. £4 takes it up to £10. See you soon.